Good morning, everyone. So today we are in the Payne's kitchen. We're about to go ahead and prep these cabinets for paint. Let me turn the camera around so you can see what we're working with. So right here, we're actually gonna pull all these cabinets off and then get them painted. Recently they painted their walls. It used to be like a dark brown color, but they are now this repost gray. So we are going to now paint the cabinets a lighter gray color as well, just so that they can go with the walls and the gray cabinets that they currently have. And then we're gonna come in their cabinets and get the space organized. All right guys, so we're getting ready to start to declutter and get this area right here, take it off. This is the main area. This is their garage door. So they come in, take the shoes off right here. So I want to design a space right here for them. And then this right here is where all their mail and stuff gets dropped off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get Devonna to come over here and just declutter the space. I think they have some stuff in the cabinets that they could go through, and then down below that's where they keep all of the tools and baking stuff for the kids. So I just want to go ahead and declutter this area. So I got this big utility bucket that she has. She got this from Target. So we are going to actually use this to put the mail and stuff in there, but she's gonna go ahead and go and sort through all of that, and her, I guess the ones that she wants to keep, we're gonna put in here. The trash, we got a trash that we're gonna put in the garbage and go from there. All right, so we just took the fronts off of the cabinets here. Then we have Devonna still here. She's organizing the drawers, or just taking everything out of the drawers so we can reorganize that. We went in here, took all this stuff out. She's got all of this stuff out of here. Then we got to go up there, take those off. And then for the most part, this kitchen is almost done. So we are almost done with the backsplash. We took majority of the backsplash off here and over here. And I have Devonna right here. She is taking the remainder of this backsplash off. I gave her the honors of doing this because she's hated this area for the longest. So I know she's enjoying pulling this off. Yes, and getting this off because yeah, I don't know what it was, this design, but yeah guys, it had to go. So I'm glad that she's able to get this off. But yes, this is what the space looks like. We have taken all the cabinet fronts off of the doors, so all the cabinet doors are off here. And we are then going to prep by sanding these and painting. We're gonna do that tomorrow, guys, because it's getting late. It's getting late. We've been at this all day, but it's looking good. We got all the hard work done. All we have to do is come in, like I said, sand, paint, and then I'm gonna organize the space. And she's gonna have a brand new kitchen. Yes. So I'm excited. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow when we wake up and get started on everything else. Good morning, guys. So we are on day 2 of the kitchen model. Right now we are eating breakfast. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, so we're eating breakfast, getting ready to change and get our day started. So we are about to get started in the kitchen for today. We are gonna definitely get all this sanded and painted. I'm gonna go in and organize as well here, and then we will assemble. We just finished sanding all the items, the front parts of this. We're gonna get ready to sand the base here. So what we're gonna do now is just take all this stuff out of the cabinets because I'm going to be organizing the cabinets. So might as well just take it out, see what they have, combine different things, if they have duplicates of their spices, different things like that. So I'm just gonna pull everything out and then get Miss Payne here, and her husband just came in. So we're gonna have them sort through all of their items here to see like what they need, what they want, and what they were going to toss or donate. So we're about to go ahead and do that. So we have cleared out all the cabinets. We just sanded the cabinet fronts and the bases of the cabinets, all at the bottom and the top, and pulled out everything. In the meantime, we are going to be organizing the items. I just prepped these cabinets. We sanded them down and we are about to paint the cabinets this worldly gray color, Sherwin-Williams. We went with the Harmony paint. It is the low VOC, which is good with people with kids. My cousin, she has 2 younger kids, so we're using this so it won't be so strong when painting. But I'm stirring it up because they've had it sitting in the garage, so we want to stir it first. I'm pour it in here, and then we're gonna go ahead and get to painting these cabinets. So I just finished painting. Well, we did. Hey, Devonna. So Devonna's cleaning out the cabinets, and I actually created a layout. This is how I want their cabinets to be organized. Here is this cabinet right here. That's gonna be the girls' craft area. And then up top is the overflow. And then I want crafts down here. And then next it says, I'm gonna do a baking station here, and right here I'm going to put all their spices in that cabinet, and then below is all the baking accessories and stuff that's gonna be in here, and then the baking appliances. And then over here I am going to do their dishes and glasses, and then below are their pots and pans. And then here I'm gonna put the plasticware, and then all the cleaning supplies will go under here. Good morning, guys. Oh, I'm still laying in the bed. It is now 9:30 here in Atlanta. This is day 3. Day 3 of the kitchen makeover. Last night we went to sleep at like 4:30. We painted the cabinets, organized the cabinets. I wanted to make sure to put everything up because they do have 2 younger kids, and I didn't want them to not be able to use their kitchen to feed the girls. So I decided to put everything back where it needs to go, but organized it in a better way so that it's more functional for the Paynes. So that's what we did. So it took a little longer, but we got that done. Today we are going to spray the door fronts. I sanded all of those yesterday, as you saw. But yeah, guys, let me stop rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. so we are back outside. We have everything laid out and we're about to go ahead and get ready to paint. Alright guys, so we are just about to start this tiling here. We cleared out everything. I'm just going to take this last bit and put it over there out the way. But this is the tile that we're going to use. We're going to sand this down, make sure it's a smooth surface, and then go ahead and get the tile cut. Good morning everyone. So it is the last day of this kitchen reno. Today we're actually going to go shopping. So we got majority of the backsplash done last night. I'm gonna get Devonna to finish the rest of this, and this kitchen will be done, guys. So guys, what did you think about this space? The Payne's kitchen came out so nice. We went in and we painted the cabinets that gray color. We switched out the backsplash to give it a more modern and updated look, as well as getting that full space organized. So now that she is organized, she is set to go ahead and have fun in her kitchen with her daughters. I know that they love the baking and craft section for the girls. I love how we labeled that so that they can be able to put things in those baskets very easy now that the Payne girls are starting to read. But yes guys, if you love what you are watching so far, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and also hit that subscription button and that notification bell, because next week we will be going into the Payne's bedroom. We are going to be tackling their master closet, guys. So I do not want you to miss out on any of these new videos during this Cleanish challenge. So make sure to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified on that next video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.